I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear windshield wiper Jeep Grand Cherokee. Begin by gathering a replacement blade, screwdriver, and a soft cloth, and park the car on level ground with the parking brake set. Lift the wiper arm gently and inspect the mounting style so you know which clips or retainers to remove. Work slowly to avoid scratching the glass and keep all small parts organized for reassembly. Start by lifting the rear wiper arm into its service position and hold it steady. Identify the clip or small tab that secures the blade to the arm and press or pry it gently while sliding the blade away from the hook or post. If the connection is corroded, spray a little penetrating oil and wait a few minutes, then try again. Patience prevents broken tabs and scratched glass during removal. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers that pack tools, screws, and clips neatly and prevent spills in your trunk, which makes a messy repair much less stressful. I picked that product because it keeps everything visible and tidy, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Attach the new rear blade by aligning its connector with the arm hook and sliding it until you hear a secure click. Lower the arm carefully onto the glass and start the wiper to confirm smooth travel and full contact across the glass. If the blade skips or squeaks, recheck alignment and ensure the rubber edge is clean and free of protective film for best wiping performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.